Do you believe that every learner deserves a second chance to succeed? Today, we're at Francisco G. Nepomuceno Memorial High School, where we offer the Summer Academic Remedial Program, an initiative designed to help learners strengthen their understanding and build confidence for the next school year.
Okay, very good. Pag-isipang dalang na lang.
This video, we will be presenting testimonies from parents, teachers, and learners.
Regarding the preparation, actually we just exhausted all the resources and materials na available naman sa school. And since nagturo rin naman ako previously ng Araling Panlipunan 9, so may mga enough materials tayo para doon sa ating remedial class. Regarding dun sa preparation, wala namang gaanong problema. Ang naging pinaka-concern ko lang is yung hindi naging sufficient yung time. Kasi it's just a 5 days remedial class. So try to imagine, compare dun sa isang school year, para bang i-summarize mo siya within that 5 days. So para bang hindi siya enough para ma-highlight yung mga yung mga particular areas na nag-struggle, kung saan sila nag-struggle. Kung nga lang, siguro, kailangan make the most out of it. Kaya, ang ginawa namin, in-highlight ko na lang yung mga important topics na I find it very significant for them na para makapagdating ng grade 10, meron silang baon at meron silang natutunan. Actually, yung goal talaga ng SARP or yung ating remedial class is yung to provide additional instruction among our students who are encountering or who do have some struggles with their academic skills or yung any particular subject. And basically yung purpose ng ating SARP o yung ating remedial class is yung to address yung learning gaps. Since kaya sila nagkaroon ng kung bakit sila bumagsak, for sure may gap in between dun sa mga lessons na hindi nila naintindihan. And of course, to help them to catch up yung mga lessons na they find it very challenging. Diba? And ultimately, yung purpose talaga ng ating remedial class is to yung address yung kanilang academic performance. Diba? Gusto natin na ma-improve pa nila para nang sa ganun maging ready na sila this coming as they progress into grade 10.
Opo, nakita ko rin siya yung naging prosige siyang gumawa ng mga project na pinapagawa ng school, nagpapaprint. Tapos kita ko rin na may siya pa yung admin na gumagawa ng mga kailangan nilang gawin. Siguro matutulong nito, maiiwasan niya yung pag-absent niya, pagliban. Kasi madalas kasi nagliliban siya kasi may sakit nga po siya. Pero hindi na po pwedeng bibigyan siya ng grade porket na may sakit. Hindi po kailangan. Pag-aralan niya pa rin yun. So sabi ko, mag-aral siya yan. Siguro matututunan siya niya na gumawa ng mga dapat gawin, magsulat ang dapat isulat.
Improvement ko po mas lumakas po yung loob ko. Tas natutunan ko po hindi mahiya nagre-recite sa harap. Yun lang po. Pag grade 8 na po ako, hindi na po nun ako mahihiya sa harap ng mga tao. Yun lang po.
Marami po ako natutunan ngayong summer na simula po nag-summer, yung mga di ko po alam sagutin na sasagot ko na, and nabibigyan ko na po ng oras yung pag-aaral ko dahil nakarealize po ako gaano po ka-importante. Marami po ito matutulong sa akin, maraming benepisyo tulad ng time management, yung pagbibigay alaga sa mga bagay-bagay at mga pangangailangan.
Attending summer class helped me to further understand this lesson. And attending summer class also helped me to understand the least learned lessons that I have struggled to understand during normal classes. It's also my first time attending summer class, so I was nervous that I would be able to follow with my fellow classmates. But after attending, that was then I realized that it was easy. It was easy. I realized that some of my classmates are very friendly and the teachers are very nice. So summer class helped me not with just my studies, it also helped me to make friends.
Overall, the summer academic remedial program is beneficial for students. This helps students to be confident in any aspects, whether it is for educational purposes or for their own sake. SARP stands as preparation of learners for the upcoming school year and also foster guidance for them to catch up and improve mastering in particular learning areas.